voice is static in my skull. Sweet poison wrapped in ritual. You smile like it's oxygen, but every breath I'm thinner than. I feel you seep into my veins. No color left, just pressure pain. You say I'm safe, you pull me close, but safety's just another ghost. I can see it, I can taste it. It's all you get inside. By the time I know I'm breaking, I'm already to cry. Your carbon monoxide, silent when you invade. I stay here, I disappear. Yeah, I'm fading in the wind. Your carbon monoxide, why you suffocate? Loving you's a slow goodbye that I can't escape. You make the room feel calm and still, like nothing here could ever kill. You say I'm crazy, say I'm weak, for needing air, for trying to speak. You drain me clean, then ask for more. Tell me this is what I'm for. I choke on words I never say. You tell me this is what you stay. I trusted every lie you fed. Thought pain was proof I cared. Now I'm numb and seeing red, just trying to get out. Your carbon monoxide, no warning, no sound. I'm here but I'm not alive, just a body breaking down. Your carbon monoxide, I breathe you, I decay. Staying with you is a slow suicide in every single way. I'm not dying fast enough for you to notice. I'm not screaming loud enough to be heard. You call this devotion, I call it being buried in your words. Get out of my head, get out of my lungs. You don't leave bruises, you don't need guns. You just stay quiet, you just stay close, till I forget what living was supposed to be. Your carbon monoxide, invisible chains. I thought love was a fire, but you're just the flame that eats all the air, leaves nothing behind. If I stay here with you, I don't survive. I open the door, I fall to the floor, I choose to breathe. You won't have me anymore.